In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Honkai Star Rail app not working. So if this application is not working on your device, first of all try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. You can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating this app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Honkai Star Rail. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Honkai Star Rail and tap on it. Now once you do that, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After that, all the bugs should be fixed and your problem should also be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Honkai Star Rail and long press on it. Tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and installing it again. After that, it will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and your application should start working. So that is how you fix Honkai Star Rail app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.